What is the role of international tribunals in LGBTQ+ rights? Imagine a world where everyone's rights are protected no matter where they live. International tribunals help make that vision a reality by shaping how countries treat LGBTQ+ people. These courts include the European Court of Human Rights, the Inter-American Court of Human Rights, and United Nations Human Rights Committees. They look at cases where people face discrimination or violations of their fundamental rights because of their sexual orientation or gender identity. For example, the European Court of Human Rights has ruled that everyone has the right to privacy and freedom from discrimination, regardless of who they love or how they identify. These decisions challenge unfair laws, like bans on adoption for LGBTQ+ individuals or requirements for medical procedures before changing gender legally. International tribunals do more than just decide individual cases. Their rulings influence national laws and policies. When a tribunal finds a country guilty of violating LGBTQ+ rights, it encourages other countries to follow suit and change their laws. This is especially helpful in places where public opinion might be against LGBTQ+ rights but where courts and governments are willing to listen to legal standards. These courts also act as a voice for communities that face systemic discrimination, such as laws that criminalize LGBTQ+ identities or activities. Sometimes, they can even invalidate old laws from colonial times that criminalize being LGBTQ+. However, enforcement can be tricky because some governments resist or ignore these rulings. In some cases, countries have gone back to old, discriminatory laws even after international courts have ruled against them. International tribunals also support advocacy groups and activists by giving legal backing to their claims. Their decisions help frame LGBTQ+ rights as part of universal human rights, pushing governments to respect and protect these rights. They raise awareness about violations and can put pressure on governments that fail to meet their obligations. Overall, these courts play a vital role in pushing for fair treatment and equality for LGBTQ+ people worldwide. They interpret human rights treaties, set legal standards, and influence laws and social attitudes. Their work helps communities gain legal protections and promotes social acceptance across different regions.